also Jong Uchiko. Also trying to milk the clock there.
And also trying to, dahil nararamdaman niya, yung Magnolia naghahabol na. One way or another, they were trying to get momentum.
Yes.
That long lull almost served as an entire timeout.
And Dorian Peña says, so what?
Lalo gumanda pa yung free throw shooting niya dahil doon sa break na yun.
Tumasok yung dalawa
Nabaliktad.
Yung epekto. And pressure in the backcourt being applied here by Magnolia. Hildebrand gets it over to Sunday Salvacion. In the front court, Rafi Rivas is held down.
But it seemed that was the plan of Magnolia. Dahil pagkahawak ni Rafi Rivas, they fouled right away. Now they're gonna test ito si Rafi Rivas if he can make free throws.
Malaki pa rin yung oras na yan. 2:46. Rivas misses on the first. Alalahanin po natin, itong dalawang kupulang ito, parehong galing sa talo at mga reversal in the end game. So they'd like to get that out of their system. Rivas gets that one to bounce in. Olsen Rosella. Christian Calagio. Calagio dribbles it off his foot. Taga mo na. Referee changes his mind. He says somebody touched it last. So, balik muli sa Magnolia.
Rafi Rivas very unhappy about that. Pakiramdam niya, tumama sa paa nitong si Christian Calagio.
Olsen Rosella. The bounce pass to Daniel Defonso. Turnaround jumper by Danny. Wala. Loose ball, Eric Mink. Here's J.J. Hildebrand into the front court.
Yeah, that was a critical possession para sa Magnolia. They needed a basket there if itong rally aspirations nila mabuhay pa rin.
Hildebrand thought about it. Ronald Tubid. Mink wide open.
So that could have been a clincher right there dahil biglang tumaas yung kaalamangan up to 16.
12 points para kay Eric Mink. TM3 yan galing kay Chris Calagio as we go into the Outlast 2 minutes. Atin sa inyo ng Outlast maintenance-free batteries. Walang dagdag bawal sa tubig. Outlast batteries. Third foul on Chris Calagio.
Para kay Chris Calagio, may not have been a good foul because looking at their bench, they had certain targets to be fouled. Dahil gusto talaga nilang magbigay ng free throws, but obviously not dito kay Ronald Tubid who has been hot sa larong ito.
Ang daming pumutok para dito sa Barangay Ginebra, no? Isa nga ito si Ronald Tubid. J.J. Hildebrand, of course. At lately, si Eric Mink, kanina si Billy Mamaril, Paul Artadi, and on defense, the bulwark there was Rafi Rivas.
Halos hindi na nila kinailangan. Ito si Mark Caguioa. Actually, in the fourth quarter, ni anino ni Mark Caguioa, hindi na natin nakita.
He has the luxury of cooling his heels dito sa fourth quarter. And Danny Seago, this is that one. Eric Mink gets the rebound para sa Barangay Ginebra. Under 2 minutes here in the fourth quarter. At 15 ang hinahabol ng Magnolia na sa Barangay Ginebra po ang bola. Tubid playing the long court. Artadi goes for the jump shot. Wala. Dorian Peña para sa rebound. Forward to Chris Calagio. Calagio. Binigay kay L.A. Tenorio. Tenorio trying to get closer inside to Dorian Peña. He had to change his shot. 1:16 remaining. And Tenorio stops the clock with that foul.
Still a lot of fight in this Magnolia team. It's a 13-point lead, but they're looking for free throw shooters of Barangay Ginebra that will miss. Pero ito kanina, Ronald Tubid final nila. Maganda nilaro niyan. Actually, 12 out of 14 from the free throw line. J.J. Hildebrand is the top man para dito sa Barangay Ginebra because he already gets his 30th point of the ball game. Grabe.
At dito sa second half, 19 na ginagawa niyan, including 11 in the third quarter. Ito naman si L.A. Tenorio kontra Pectus. And Barangay Ginebra also dominating the boards now. Helderbrand. Talaga namang nagmadali ito si J.J. Helderbrand. Sayang yung fast break eh.
That's right. Not expecting itong mga Magnolia Beverage Masters. Not expecting that JJ would go for that shot.
Eh sabi naman ni JJ, alam ko naman gagawin niyo. Papaulin niyo lang ako.
Layup ko na. Gawin ko na 3-point play.
Muli, pinapaalala natin yung pong Asian Idol. Kasali po dyan sa ating first ever Philippine Idol na si Bao Marcelo. Kaya kung gusto ninyong Pinoy ang maging first ever Asian Idol, huwag po ninyong kalilimutan bumoto, no ha? To vote, just text VOTE space country 2, then send to 2959. Sa bawat text vote, 2 countries ang dapat nyung iboto. Voting is open till 11:30 p.m. of December 16. So bumoto na po tayo. Maki Escalona is brought in for the first time here by Coach Jong Chico. Tumira sa nabas si Chris Calagio, TM Presian. Galing kay Chris Calagio.
That's one of the few 3-point shots mula dito sa Magnolia. They did not shoot the ball particularly well from the 3-point region. Even that ang dami-dami nilang 3-point shooters.
Totoo yan. And Tumit just taking it easy. After another hard day's night.
Parang hindi bagay, no? Tumit taking it easy.
Ayan, tumira na rin. Here's Chris Calagio. Nothing there, Daniel Defonso. 17 seconds to go before we call it a Barangay Ginebra victory here over Magnolia. And I want to run down the clock here, but Barangay Ginebra fans egging Maki Escalona to take the shot. And instead he passes it off to Paul Arcadi, who will get, I think, that shot will count. But anyway, whatever it is, whether it's counted or not, this will count as a major Barangay Ginebra victory just when they needed it most. Dahil po nagkukumahog po sila sa may bandang ilalim ng ating team standings at mahigpit ang pangangailangan ng Barangay Ginebra as referee Herrera reviewed the tape and declared it as a basket. Ayan po ang ating final score, 115-100. Barangay Ginebra winning this one.